Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet these very simple leaves. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. The leaves I will crochet with the cotton yarn, but if you want you can use any yarn. We need matching crochet hook, scissors and sewing needle. I start with a knot stitch and crochet 16 chain stitches. And 16. Skip the first stitch and crochet one single crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2, one half double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2, one triple crochet in the next 4 stitches and 2, 3 and 4. One double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2, one half double crochet in the next 2 stitches in the last stitch, one single crochet, chain 1 and one single crochet. This side I crochet not through only one yarn, but here in these places, here, here and here. One half double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2, one triple crochet in the next 4 stitches two, 3 and 4, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2, one half double crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2, one single crochet in the next stitch and one single crochet in this last stitch. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip the first stitch and one slip stitch in the next 4 stitches three and 4. Now cut this yarn and I will sew the last stitch, pull yarn, and now in this first stitch from the front to the back through both loops, and in this last stitch only through the back loop, from the front to the back. Now looks like this. Sew this yarn on the back side, and sew this yarn on the back side too. At the end you can iron the leaves for the better shape, and the leaves are ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.